Hello and welcome to another video from Terrific Products. Today we've got a USB Type-C adapter that allows you to charge your phone whilst playing music through a 3.5mm headset. So we're going to unbox this and do a quick review. This is what it looks like. Glossy white. Looks very nice. High quality by the looks of it. On the one end you have a male USB-C, and on the bottom you have a female USB Type-C and also a 3.5mm jack. So let's have a look how it works. We connect the one end into your phone, and then the other end you plug in USB Type-C charging cable, like so. So plug that one end in here, and then the other end will plug into any wall outlet. Mine happens to be British, but you could equally use a European adapter, not a problem at all. So as you can see now, as indicated by the yellow LED, my phone is charging. I'll bring this into view, obviously. If I was to unplug this, you'll see the LED will go off. Ooh, keeping shut. Plug it back in. And we're charging again. So it passes through the power very well. And then of course you would also want to connect an audio output of some description. So you could connect any 3.5mm headset, any normal pair of headphones, just like so, and you could listen to it just like so. But I've thought of a good way of doing it. So we've removed the need for the power. Other one. And we'll take this away. Just the headphones. So now we're just left with the phone and the charging cable. So then you could go and get a battery pack of some description, any will do. Plug that in. And then you could have a set of speakers, like so. These ones are powered over USB, so these will plug nicely into here as well. And then all it takes is to connect the speakers with this Heartbeat USB Type-C audio adapter, like so. And we'll have a look at Spotify. Well, hey, works perfectly. First time. Fantastic. Now you would like to check that your phone is supported. Of course, it does support a very wide variety of phones. It includes the likes of the Galaxy S8 Plus, Google Pixel I know supported, some HTCs, Xiaomi's, MacBook Pros. It also mentions that you can control the music, answer calls, press once to reject a call, long press, play music, etc. This isn't compatible with my phone, but just checking it's compatible with most music control features. But brilliant. for a phone that you can't connect anything other than a USB-C to, you can hear these speakers hissing just a moment. Let's take the power away. You know, it's absolutely valuable. Brilliant. Thank you very much, and subscribe for more.